My name is Ilungole Emmanuel. I'm a student at TCU School of Medicine. I'm delighted to be at TCU because of my passion. I'm passionate about loving people in the community and treating people.
Hi, I'm Naomi. I'm a third-year medical student. I'm choosing School of Medicine. I'm doing my rotation in medicine and surgery. I like to do, and I chose to use School of Medicine because I felt in my head that actually it was the best.
My name is SoM. I'm doing Bachelor of Dental Surgery. I'm my first year here at Uganda Christian University. Yeah, I'm doing this course, Bachelor of Dental Surgery, because I feel like in Uganda, or health is one of the things that's neglected. Like people don't give much attention to it. They always leave it aside as if it's not a big deal.
My name is Ashara Fiona. To begin with, it's always been a priority of mine to study at Christian University, and I have had lots and lots of things about, the teaching skills in this university. So I decided, I woke up one fine morning, I made up my mind, and I said it is UCU. Come shine, come rain, it is UCU. So I'm here.
I'm doing this because I want to be a minister of the word of God, which is medicine, and I'm happy to do that.
I'm doing medicine, makes you meet a lot of new people every day, get a lot of experiences, know about life, know about how to care for you. Yeah. I just love medicine, I just love UCU School of Medicine.
You can go out from here when you have those other basic skills that can make you a better person, that can help you compete in this world.
I actually feel very privileged to be at UCU, very privileged. While I'm studying dental surgery and not maybe music, dance and drama, or why not accounting, medicine is really challenging. Personally, curiosity drove me here. I am here because of curiosity. I feel like the world hasn't yet been made a better place for people, so I'm here to I have a picture of what the world could be with my services out of here.